Hello, content creators on Facebook. How are you doing? Fine. The hustle is real, and you got not to give up. You got not to give up. You got to keep pushing. Every day you show up. Every day you keep trying until you are able to meet your targets. It doesn't matter how long it takes. If it likes, let it be a year, two. Let it be 2 months. But depending on how consistent you are and the effort you are bringing to the table, definitely you will achieve your goal, right? So there is something you are not doing, that is checking your page health to ensure you do not have any issue on your page. And on this video I want to show you quickly how to ensure your page is as clean as possible. By the time it gets to, like, when you meet the target, when you meet the requirement for monetization, you won't have any issue. Sometimes you can leave your page like that. You don't care about it. You keep posting, maybe resharing other people's content. You do not know when you defaulted, when your content goes against the community rules standard, and then because you've not been checking, you just overlook it. By the time your page is supposed to be monetized, it must have gotten out of hand. So it is better you do this at least once in a week. If you really want to use your page for something serious, you really want to monetize that page, do this at least once in a week. Okay, so the screen I'll be sharing will show you how to check if your page has any issue or not. Stay with me. So it's simple to check your Facebook page to know, or profile to know, if it has recommendation from Facebook. That's if the health is good, right? So you click open the Facebook app itself, check your top right hand side, you find where you have your profile. Do not click it down, just touch it. It will take you to the professional dashboard, this interface. So what you do is you click on professional dashboard. You see where we have professional dashboard, you touch that and where my profile is Samantha Ukeme, so you touch it and then you scroll to where you have profile recommendation and then you click it open. Now this profile is recommendable, so keep checking. I'm gonna attach a screenshot of another profile that is not recommendable, so you understand when you have issues. So how do you fix it? In case you come to this place and you are not seeing this, how do you fix it? You click on whatever prompt you have there and it will take you to whatever item, whatever content, whatever post you made or shared that gave you that copyright issue or that problem, whatever challenge it is, whatever they're asking you to do. When you click on it, it will take you to that content, and what you do is you have to delete whatever it was. No matter the engagement the post must have given you, just delete it. So I once had such issue. I shared the content. I didn't even make the post I shared, and it gave me a serious issue. I think there was an unconfirmed information on that post, and then Facebook marked it as misleading. So what they did was to give me an issue on my page, and I had to trace it from here. I deleted and then I regained the health of my profile. So it's as simple as that. So ensure you come here at least once in a week so you know you are on the right page, okay?